Some restoration of my Ford Taunus Coupe. Here we go. I have to fix a new sun plate underneath the bumper. Fenders and doors need some welding. Here I have removed my old appliance chrome wheels. New cylinders replaced now. Also new brakes at the front wheels. Here I got my new restorated front brakes. Next step is to fix my cooler and the generator. I will replace this to electric fan. We will see how this solution works later. Quite interesting. We catch up later down the road. See you soon.